Everyone, today I'm showing a table shelf decoration. A kissing couple silhouette made from branches. It is a very beautiful and minimalist figure, and I really like it. It prints quickly, uses very little filament, but looks very impressive. During printing, some small strings appeared between the branches. But for me, this is not a big problem. I used a lighter to remove them. Maybe it happened because of moisture in the filament. I used PLA filament it the time and at the time of printing I stored it just in the room. I have seen that many people store filament in plastic containers, adding silica gel and sometimes even putting a thermometer in each box. I don't have a lot of space for printer organization, so I try to do things on a budget. So I try to do things on a budget. For every spool you need a separate box, and as your filament collection grows, you need more space. Right now, I store my filament in a simple plastic zip bag with a small silica gel bag inside. I don't have big problem with strings, so I think for my budget this is enough. Share in the comments how you store your filament and how you would like to store if your budget increased. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.